Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter save mode on Red Magic 10 Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device. And once your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. And you can let go of power button once you see your logo on your screen. And now you have to use power buttons and move to advanced options and then press power button to select. And now click on save mode. And as you can see, my device is now in save mode. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.